What's up, guys? We're in Capricorn right now. Got the boogie board today. We're gonna try to get some lunch first. They always do these specials where it's appetizer, entree, dessert for pretty reasonable prices. So we haven't done that yet. So that's what Chanel's trying to find right now. We're starting to run out of options until we get all the way around the harbor, and then we'll have a couple more. But hopefully we can find that for her, and I'm sure you'll get a video of us eating something either way. So I just caught a little French lizard. Oh, he took off on me. There he is, little guy. Lizard. Here in the harbor. I guess today's gonna be the only nice day out here this week, so everybody's getting their boats ready to take out. Got some guys right there. They're putting up the sail over there. Chanel and the baby.
Been doing this a while.
That's one heck of a tray. This is the restaurant we're gonna be eating at. And then do some boogie boarding after. Oh, there we go. We're getting hailed over. Let's go get our seat. All right, here's my seat. I guess Chanel gets the view today. I just get to look at the restaurant.
I'm holding the baby.
And I'm in the sun. And I got this rail on my back. All right. Oh, and I was stuck earlier. I didn't get it on film, but I was literally trapped. These ladies right here were laughing at me. This menu is ridiculous. Crazy. All right, so I'm gonna have Chanel explain it to you. What's it called?
Formulas.
Okay. Yeah, give the viewers a little rundown of how it works.
So you can choose a formula. You can either do the plate of the day, entree, the plate of the day, or a plate of dessert, or you can do all three. So we're gonna go with all three today. Entree, plate, and dessert. We're trying to figure out.
We still don't know what it
the
is,
options are.
but that's what she wanted to do, so that's what we're doing. She needs to talk a little bit louder for the camera in the public place. We'll see if we can hear her.
So to start, we are gonna have rillettes de poisson, which is like tuna, but fancier.
Look at these youngsters. They got their vape pen at the dinner table, lunch table. We got a pirate bird over here. That's a little peg leg. Dude, he probably lost it in the great battle of the pigeons. Alright, so I have rice and veal, and Chanel has salmon and risotto. She said mine looks good.
No, my goodness, say yours look good. Actually, you don't have any rice.
She doesn't like meat. There might be rice under it. Let's see if we...
I think it's just potatoes. They're not doing potatoes and rice. You could have some of mine.
Okay, so I'm digging into this. Apparently Chanel got some translation mixed up because this does not look like veal. So we're trying to figure out what it is.
I said it was heart. She says it's brain.
I'm not sure. we'll let you know. It doesn't even really taste like anything though. And I asked her to tell me or try to figure out what it is so I know. She was like, I don't know. So we'll have no idea what I ate today. All right, we got it figured out. It's baby sheep. And that's even if who knows? She might have translated it wrong again.
No.
All right, update, translation error number 4. She thought we were getting creme brulee for dessert, and instead it's a little cream puff. Cream puffs for dessert. Definitely not creme brulee, but all right.
It'll do. See, and he wondered why we had all 3 utensils. Because these are some good cream puff chocolate.
I wasn't even recording that whole time.
Right.
First bite, how was it?
Pretty good. A little chocolate overload, but that's alright. Did you get me pouring the chocolate?
I don't know. Oh, you can mess up all of lunch and I can't mess up 5 seconds of filming?
I mean, I'm content with lunch.
Yeah, because you got what you were expecting. Got a bunch of fishies. I wonder what's coming out of this pipe that they're feeding off of. Alright, so we're back in Osogor. We're gonna hang out at the lake a little bit before we go pick up Jack. Bunch of kids out at the lake. It's more of a delta, but everybody calls it a lake here.
It's a lake. Lake of Osogor, get it right.
All right, well.
I gotta sit on this edge.
I guess we're just gonna sit here. I'll start editing this video, have it up for you guys tonight. Thanks for watching.